Alright guys, in today's video I'm just going to show y'all basically how do you use this door handle clip removal tool. It's going to be a short video, hopefully just show you real quick how to use it. I didn't think I needed it, but I ended up ordering it. It's actually very cheap. It's only, if it focus, but it's only like $3. And since I ordered several parts, I just went ahead and threw that in there. So if you guys wondering how to remove the clips, they actually have a little C-clip that goes there. It kind of looks like this. You can see it right there. I got several. I got extras because last time I dropped one and I could never find it, so I have these extra ones here. They're also cheap, but let me show y'all how to remove that, and then y'all guys can. Oh, this one's already loose. This one's missing the clip. Let me show y'all. Let me show you exactly what's going on, how you remove this little clip. So basically guys, as you can see, once you insert the clip in the slots, it has the inside and it grips onto the outer shaft sticking out. It actually has a little groove. It actually has a little groove right here. So what this tool does is, this one's already off. What it does is basically, this is like this on the door, so you can't really see what's going on, but I'll just do it like this. You slide it in, and it has these two little grooves. So as you're sliding the tool in, those grooves catch it, and it opens it up. So it's actually pushing it. It pushes it out like that. So that's it. It's basically how you use this tool. It keeps on trying to use it. I used to use a screwdriver. I used to use and let's say you painted your door panels, or mine are kind of scratched up, but if you don't want to damage them or scratch them up, you can do it like that and not mess up your door panels. So that's basically how you use the tool. Thanks for watching, guys.